एक आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप लोग ऐसे बैठे कि आप मुझको देख सकें. That we want you to talk, we want you to raise questions, we want to challenge us, and whenever you want to do that, just raise your hand so that I know you want to speak. Don't get up, okay? Because every time you get up, your chair will make noise, and therefore we don't want that. Just keep sitting, raise your hand, so that we know that you want to talk. Some people are sitting in dark there a bit, but hopefully they can. There will be more light on them. Okay. So what I'll be doing now is that let me try writing something and see if you can see it. You should be able to see it. There's already a hand, very desperate hand. Let's see it. Okay. What we say. I am suggesting that maybe 90-95% of the syllabus in terms of concepts and skill, and we'll talk more about that, remains the same. What changes is the way the exams happen, the way the test pattern. And we'll see wherever the gaps are there, we'll enter that. Anything else which you want to talk about given these goals? What we are trying to do right now is to set our sights. What is our goal? Our goal in this workshop and whatever support you need as we go along is to make sure that our teaching is effective and efficient. And second, we teach in such a way, we organize our teaching in such a way that every student becomes an independent learner by the time they reach. Right. हमारे टाइम पे I think lot of discipline we learned at home probably. नहीं वो last time जो अंधेरे में.
It will affect the number of literacy and as well as the opportunities, job opportunities.
Okay, so what she's saying is स्कूल नहीं होंगे तो literacy levels low रहेंगे, शायद बच्चे पढ़ना नहीं सीख पाएंगे, and maybe they will also not get those job opportunities. Speed of killing. Yeah. Speed. Proper time, speed में. Okay, all right, good.
So we will increase mindfulness.
We will improve mindfulness.
Yes, sir, increase. Learn what we do and do what we learn.
No, I think you are using the word mindfulness.
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning you are attaching to the word mindfulness?
So whatever we do, we will learn from it.
Whatever we'll do, we'll learn from this. Okay.
Use the mind in that otherwise.
Your lesson plan, you must be making the textbook in front of you and not really the NCF or the learning outcome of CBSE. वो तो सामने रख के नहीं बन रही. लेते हैं आप उसको? You are also taking something which the CBSE has given you or NCERT has given you the learning outcomes, and then you are making your lesson plans. So when you make your lesson plans, सबसे पहले आप क्या लिखते हो? सबसे पहले आप क्या लिखते हो? अच्छा, मेरे क्लास में भी वही रूल है जो विजय के क्लास में थे. So you have to raise your hand. Okay. सबसे पहले आप क्या लिखते हो lesson plan में? Date. Okay. No, I mean after the date and the top, the name and all of that. क्या लिखते हैं? Topic, subtopic. Okay. What is topic? जो आपके किताब के इंडेक्स में दिया हुआ है. Is that the learning outcome? See, why did you say floating? आपके दिमाग में राकेश शर्मा है. सबके दिमाग में राकेश शर्मा और कौन गया वो फ्लोट हो रहे. अभी वो गया था हिमांशु. So what happens, you forget about all the concepts of gravity. और आपको इस तरह से पढ़ाया भी नहीं. कि what sir said absolutely bang on. The moon also has its own gravity. 1/6 that Earth. 1/6 of Earth. तो वो वहीं जाएगा, धीरे-धीरे जाएगा. The catch was it slowly floats to the surface of the moon. I said slowly. वही catch था. इस तरह के सवाल आ रहे हैं, and children are not able to answer. To summarize that, it becomes even clearer. Let's see, there's one more. History. the famous and the favorite Indus Valley civilization. उसको कंपेयर कीजिए आप मेसोपोटामियन सिविलाइजेशन से जो हिस्ट्री पढ़ा है. Now the thing is, history हम जिस तरह से इंडिया में पढ़ाते हैं, बहुत ही, I mean, it's not a very good way of teaching history. See, we teach geography very nicely. Geography कौन पढ़ा रहा है? Okay. So when you say in geography, if you see, say, equatorial region, तो पूरे दुनिया के बताएंगे आप. Tundra region, तो पूरा बताएंगे आप. Okay. You know, sometimes I can do it. I like it. I love it. But don't make it a chore for me. So one doesn't know, but it is a skill for survival, right? क्या हो गया? हाँ, सर को थोड़ा बैठना चाहिए. He is recovering from some ankle injury. So it's nice for him to come. Thank you very much. Anyway, I came up because I was wondering whether about the question which was raised by a sir here about teachers, earlier teachers and today's teachers, and Vijay said that perhaps there is not much of a difference. Maybe, I agree. Maybe there is not much of a difference. But a lot of other things have changed in terms of the population of this country, the number of children in the class, the number of people who are opting for a teaching profession because of the high salaries now as compared to what our teachers were getting at that time. Probably. My own mother was a teacher and she is no more for me to ask her कि कभी आपने lesson plan बनाया था?
Personal agency, or people are also using the word agentic. In fact, people also say it is agentic intelligence. What does agency mean? Resources, yeah, okay. Resources, not just material resources. Knowledge, experience, connection, yeah.
How a person can be truly effective.
Nice. Agency, as I understand, means that I feel, I have this belief that I can make a difference. I have this feeling that I have the ability to make a difference. When you feel like that, this is what is called agency. As you can see, how will that feeling come? Feeling that agency is bigger than intelligence. That means, even if you have an intelligence, there is no guarantee that you have the agency. Agency requires that you also have those knowledge and skills where you feel that I can make a difference to the life around me or to others. And therefore, a lot of people are saying that teach for agency. I want to suggest agency is nothing but that independent learning.
वो बना दो प्राइम में तो डालो वो डालो डाल दो
रेड वाला स्केच पेन देना रेड वाला मार्कर है उसके पास वैसे मेरे पास रेड पेन सर एक मिनट फोटो अच्छे से कॉपी करा लिया और आप कर रहे हैं काम कर दो हम ही रहे नहीं हुआ
नाइस
Then we have taken life cycle of butterfly. So adult, then eggs, larva, cocoon, and then we've taken now, and we have common is house, proper is Eiffel Tower, abstract is happiness, sadness, collective is crowd, and material is good. And we have written one line, the definition of nutrition summarized.
The teacher becomes curious unless and until the teacher says कि मैं तो सोचूं. How are you going to make anybody an independent learner? You know, सोचा ही नहीं हमने. Children think like that. But in your learning outcome or objective, you might like that. That what was the language that they used? Because जो भी हमें मिला, seals मिले, कुछ मिला, अच्छा. Nobody can say in this room, सब हिंदुस्तान में पढ़े, जहाँ पे भी पढ़े, okay. But India में पढ़े ना. Somebody is saying no ma'am. Some children, 12 is the answer, some 8 is the answer. Some children will get this. Okay. Now, suppose I am doing summative assessment, I will say cross and 0. But suppose I am doing formative. अभी आप डायग्नोज करोगे. आजकल आप डॉक्टर के पास जब जाते हो, when you go to a doctor, there is no clinical diagnosis left in this country. The doctor will tell you ये 10 टेस्ट करके लाओ. Okay? Bilirubin भरा.
All right, so I'm hoping that everyone is paying attention except for that last table. All right, okay. And therefore, I want to make sure that everyone is looking at me. I think what we are doing here is one of the most important thing to become an effective teacher. That is, if you want to make sure that every child is achieving the learning goals, learning outcomes, learning objectives, our teaching should be informed with this. And I will also show you that ChatGPT does not know this. And therefore, ChatGPT will never become an effective teacher. Only a human being who has human intelligence will become an effective teacher. And therefore, let me just summarize brain learning. And these are the 5 or 6 ideas. Let's see how many of them. One idea which we are saying is that learning is all about making connections. Like Devika mentioned, we have got these neurons, some 100 billion neurons are packed in that 1400 grams. Every time we learn, we are making connections. What connections? Connections between neurons, amongst neurons.
Continue.
So here I am explaining the timeline for evolution of clocks. As you can see, we started with natural things. So people of France, they made sand clock by using sand in a jar. As I said, I need more to teach. Then, as we move forward, at 885 BC, people of Europe invented candle clock. Then we move to 1092, people of China invented water clock. Though we have a controversy who invented it, but we don't have a written record. So in history, if you go in history and you see, China has this credit.
Adult frog it lays eggs, which is called as spawn. It grows into embryo. Embryo develops into tadpole, and tadpole develops into adult frog.
And the direction of the flow chart is always from top to bottom. The flow lines are the directional arrows. So now coming on to this, first the start box, then we need to assign a value to any variable. It can be A, B, C, any. So A is equal to 1 is assigned initially, then it is to be tested whether this value entered in A variable is less than or equal to 5? This is a question being raised.
से उससे पूर्व का जो समय है वो मध्यकाल है, और शुरुआत जो बिल्कुल शुरुआत है हिंदी की, जहाँ से देवनाथ साहित्य था, वहाँ से आदिकाल का नाम दिया गया हजारी प्रसाद द्विवेदी के द्वारा। 1050 विक्रम संवत से शुरू हुआ और 1300 तक का समय आदिकाल यानी कि पूर्व काल माना जाता है। उसके बाद दूसरी स्थिति आती है सन 1300 के आसपास से लेकर 1900 विक्रमी तक। उसको दो भागों में बांटा गया है। 1300 विक्रम संवत से लेकर 1700 तक का जो समय है उसको पूर्व मध्यकाल और जिसको नाम दिया गया भक्ति काल, और 1700 से लेकर के 1900 तक का जो समय है उसको नाम दिया गया उत्तर मध्य काल के रूप में रीति काल। रीति का मतलब तरीका, शैली।
Flow chart to find out greatest number out of 3 numbers. So first 3 number is accepted in an input and output box. Then we have checked the first condition whether A is greater than B. Then if it is true, it will check whether A is greater than C also. If it is true, then A is greatest. If this is false, C is greatest. But if the first condition is false, that means B is greater than A. Then the second, if it is true, then B is greatest, otherwise C is greatest. And all the arrows will meet at one stop that will end the flow chart. Thank you.
Thank you.
I think that this is it cannot be for timeline. I mean, बता सकते हो, उन्होंने बोल दिया, आप मतलब बोल सकते हो, but they are also showing कि कितने प्रकार के निर्गुण, कितने प्रकार के सुगुण, types भी था ना. So that's why classification was better. Classification was appropriate. तो देख era, that's why he said कि timeline भी बता सकते हैं कि अलग-अलग era में क्या-क्या हुआ.
ये एक ऐसी चीज है मैम, हम टाइमलाइन से भी बता सकते हैं, इसको हम इसको हम माइंड मैप के माध्यम से भी बता सकते हैं मैम। इवन यहाँ पर हम वैन चित्र भी बता सकते हैं, वैन डायग्राम के माध्यम से भी इसको कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जिनको हम सिखा सकते हैं। जी मैम, बिल्कुल।
Prepositions are the word which tells a relation between a noun or a pronoun, and they are used in between them. For example, the book is on the table. On is preposition. Then interjection, they are certain feelings. They are certain feelings which are wow, ouch. These are interjections. Then comes are the over.
This is a mind map of number system. Same number system consists of real number, imaginary number. Then real numbers are divided into irrational numbers, rational numbers. We have prime number, whole number, fractions, negative numbers.
This is the timeline on Mughal Empire, and the time period is
No, actually one of the problem is कि graphic organizer को लोग mind map कहते हैं. So all over India we have seen this, that they say any kind of a graphic representation of data, they call it mind map. ये गलत है. So when she says mind map, she means classification chart actually. But we have today learned कि mind map क्या है. Mind map is when you have a central idea and connected ideas around it.
Yes. Inflation, सिंपल भाषा में प्राइसेस का बढ़ना. थोड़ा सा मॉडिफिकेशन मैंने ये किया है. I have stated inflation here, then the causes, and at the later part I have shown effects of inflation, like what effects an economy has on inflation.
I have taken a topic of Frege, a basic topic. Sort of triangle, in which I have divided this triangle into two categories. Triangles are based on the type of triangles are based on the angles. So basically there are three type of triangles.
घर घर आज मेघ घन घन छायुरी दमक दमक बिजुली चमक कहत गरज गरज आज मेघ घन घन छायुरी चमक 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 बिजुली कहत हरि तू राज आयुरी.
Interlocking, and the last two, these are the causes of the friction, how we can increase and decrease the friction. Right now. Here I have used a mind map to summarize the topic quadratic equation. This can be used after completing the topic. Like I have given the definition here, then methods to solve quadratic equation. So we are having three methods. The last one is having a formula. So I have written it over here. Then via using these, we get the roots of quadratic equation.
Old English or Anglo-Saxon period, that it came 1066 to 150. Okay, then it comes. Okay.
Everyone, today I have taken the topic of population explosion, and we have tried to do it with the help of mind map, which can be shown with the help of fishbone diagram as well. Population explosion, when we know that the problem is increasing at rapid pace.
Just because it is new, उससे डरना नहीं है. In fact, one of the things in life we must learn, we have created a risk-free environment, isn't it? ये आप बाद में तो कभी भी नहीं करोगे, हम चले जाएंगे तो, isn't it? So, if there's something that you have never done, then this is the time to do it, and make mistakes, and fail, and do again, and fail again, but then learn. That is the way to do it. तो नई जो चीज़ है, उसको करने की कोशिश कीजिए. आप इसको बना के लाइए कल, हाँ? हम देखेंगे. Because our job is to make sure that you learn. तो उसको बना के लाइए आप. तो उसमें क्या करना है? Same thing. You already got all the factors and the causes.
Then we'll prepare unadjusted trial balance. Then we'll pass some adjustment entries. Then we'll prepare financial statement to get financial performance and position of the organization. That is profitability and assets and liabilities of the business. Then we'll find out some financial ratios to analyze the performance of the organization. Then ultimately we'll communicate this to the intended user of the organization.
टाइमलाइन चार्ट बनाया है, वो डांस के ऊपर बनाया है. जो जी यस सर. सो 200 में हमने भरतनाट्यम लॉन्च किया और वी कैन से वी स्टार्टेड लर्निंग. एंड सेम थिंग ओडिसी डांस भी 200 BC में हमने रिप्रेजेंट किया था. BC, yes sir. Okay. And 400 we started Kathak, and in ballet dance 1500, Manipuri 1700, 19 में हम जैज सीखना शुरू हुए थे, and in 2000 or I can say 1800 to 2000 still we are learning Bollywood dances. Yeah, and a small, I need more time because history of the dance timeline is Kathak, and personal dance journey of mine. Started learning dance in 2000.
And one in the known world history who was the actual conqueror of the world, and where do we situate him? That is a controversy between us when we talk about Alexander the Great, who invaded India in 326 BC. In fact, we all know about the story left behind because the Parsis were told that whether he would be, when he asked to the Parsis whether he would be conquered or not, and once he put his
एक एक्शन। समेटिव असेसमेंट में क्या होता है? असेसमेंट वही रहता है, ओके, इसमें शायद अभी बात नहीं हुई। असेसमेंट के जो टूल्स हैं, स्ट्रैटेजीज हैं, वो दे रिमेन द सेम विद द समेटिव और फॉर्मेटिव। सीबीएसई ने एक ये भी गड़बड़ किया है, वो उनके हिसाब से फॉर्मेटिव का मतलब है कि भाई वो पेन एंड पेपर नहीं है, प्रोजेक्ट करिए, क्विज करिए, तो वो फॉर्मेटिव हो गया। दैट इज ए रॉन्ग अंडरस्टैंडिंग है। बट वी डायग्नोस कि क्या वजह है, सो दैट वी कैन do the correction. Remember, we mentioned इसका क्या हमें बोला what
everything available in our search.
आप क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं? मैथमेटिक्स, ठीक है।
And all my staff.
आपका
Switch to
बैठिए, बैठिए जी।
तो उसमें we try to tell them with the help of this method only कि है ना,
Very nice.
किस तरीके से, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं थोड़ा इलैबोरेट कर सकूं, my uncle has a shop in Pune, नानापेट में, मेडिकल का शॉप है उनका। मेडिकल लाइन में कैसे होता है कि अगर दवाई एक्सपायर हो जाती है तो जहाँ से दवाई लेकर आए हैं उसको अगर अपन एक्सपायर होने के बाद देंगे तो कुछ नहीं मिलेगा,
रिटर्न जो,
हाँ रिटर्न, और उसके पहले अगर हम दे देते तो या तो दवाई मिल जाएगी या पैसा मिल जाएगा। अब क्या है कि उनका दिन का जो 5-6 घंटे का टाइम है वो उसी में जाता है कि कौन सी दवाई एक्सपायर हो रही है, मैं निकालते रहो, चेक करते रहो, निकालते रहो, चेक करो। जो रियल कस्टमर्स आ रहे हैं उनको वो टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे और बिजनेस को बढ़ाने में वो टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे। सो नाउ व्हाट हिज कॉम्पिटिटर इज डूइंग, ही हैज अ सॉफ्टवेयर विद हिमसेल्फ एंड देन ही हैज अ बारकोड।
बाहर सोशल मीटिंग्स में, पार्टी में चले जाए, हाउ विल यू नो दैट दिस पर्सन मस्ट बी अ टीचर? कैसे पता पड़ता है आपको? एक खास खूबी होती है, एक खास खूबी होती है। वॉच, अच्छा टाइम दिस वॉच, तो द टीचर्स आईज कैसे अकेले किसी एक से कभी बात नहीं करता टीचर, कभी नहीं बात करता टीचर एक से, तो पूरे को क्राउड को लेता है। यू ऑलवेज मैनिंग द क्राउड एंड टेकिंग एवरीबॉडी इनटू योर कन्वर्सेशन। उसकी नजरें ऐसी घूमती रहती हमेशा। आप देखिए उस तरह से करिए आप। राइट हैंडेड, ओके। सो नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, बट ऐसा नहीं होता है, राइट एंड लेफ्ट वर्क्स टुगेदर, इट वर्क्स टुगेदर। समटाइम्स यू आर वेरी क्रिएटिव, समटाइम्स यू नीड टू बी लॉजिकली मोर डोमिनेंट एटसेट्रा। उसका कारण क्या है? व्हाई बोथ वर्क टुगेदर? द न्यू वर्ड इज बीइंग इंट्रोड्यूस्ड सर से कि बहुत सिखा रहे हैं ब्रेन का, बट दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग दैट द टू हेमिस्फीयर्स are connected with a bundle of nerves. नसें दोनों को जोड़ती हैं ना, राइट एंड लेफ्ट को जोड़ती है। उसका एक शब्द है, शब्दों से ना डरे, इट इज कॉल्ड कॉर्पस कॉलोसम। याद नहीं भी रहेगा चलेगा। कॉर्पस कॉलोसम, which is passing the signals from left to right, right to left, left to right. कभी लॉजिक, कभी language teacher of their subject. First and foremost, she or he is a language teacher because मैथमेटिक्स की वोकैबुलरी इंग्लिश के रीडर में नहीं आती, सर्कमफरेंस हो, रेडियस हो, डायमीटर हो, ओके। सिमिलरली ज्योग्राफी की वोकैबुलरी हिस्ट्री के रीडर में नहीं आई या मैथ्स में नहीं आई। फिर दूसरा क्या होता है, शब्द अपना अर्थ भी बदल लेते हैं अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स में। When we say
independent individual, independent human being, and not just independent learner, is to learn how to solve problems. If we don't know, if we can't solve our problems, we will not be able to achieve our goals, right? Because we said problem is a hurdle in achieving the goal. अगर problem नहीं resolve की, we will not be able to achieve the goal. And if we can't achieve the goal, our effectiveness goes down. Remember how did we define effectiveness? Effectiveness meant that we are achieving our goal. If we are achieving our goal, we are effective. If we are not, then we are not. And therefore, let us think about this whole idea of problem solving. Okay? हो गया है कि ट्यूशन has become a norm. ये तो नॉर्मल, ट्यूशन तो जाना ही। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये जो एक हैबिट बन गई बच्चों के लिए भी, हो सकता है पेरेंट के लिए भी, पेरेंट को लगता है कि हम नहीं उनको सपोर्ट कर सकते, हमारे माँ बाप भी को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे, एंड देयरफॉर इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि ये ट्यूशन की आदत ना लगने दीजिए। and I want to suggest something for the school. I think we should tell parents and children, किसी को भी ट्यूशन की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर तुम इस स्कूल में हो, विद्याश्रम में, तो किसी को भी ट्यूशन की जरूरत नहीं है. जहाँ भी गैप्स आएंगे वो हमारी जिम्मेदारी है. आप यहाँ फी दे रहे हो ना, and therefore it is our responsibility to make sure कि किसी बच्चे को ट्यूशन की जरूरत ना पड़े. And therefore I want to support what sir was saying. Some schools are doing like this. They say कि किसी को ट्यूशन की जरूरत नहीं है, जिसको भी जरूरत है हफ्ते में एक दिन whatever, if you want to do online classes. Online classes के एडवांटेज ये है कि बच्चों को आना नहीं है, फिर वो इशू हो जाते हैं कि ट्रांसपोर्ट कैसे करेंगे, वापस कैसे जाएंगे, टीचर को रुकना पड़ेगा. एंड therefore instead of doing a face-to-face class, आप ऐसा भी सोच सकते हैं कि ऑनलाइन क्लास
ठीक है, तो आप उसमें पर्यायवाची शब्द दे देते हो सर. हाँ,
वो शब्द कैसे बना है, उसको हम डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं.
ठीक है, जैसे इन्होंने भी बोला कि रूट वर्ड देते हैं या उसकी एटिमोलॉजी क्या है, वो कहाँ से आया वो शब्द. और आप देखेंगे वो शब्द जो कई शब्द बड़ा फैसिनेटिंग है. जैसे मराठी है भाषा मेरी मातृभाषा, और मैं देखती हूँ कि उसमें उर्दू शब्द बहुत है, क्योंकि इतना मुगलों का इन्फ्लुएंस रहा और शिवाजी के साथ इतनी लड़ाइयाँ हुई हैं कि वो इतना इंटरमिंगलिंग रहा है कि अभी भी हम लोग गिफ्ट को मराठी में नजराना ही बोलते हैं, ओके, या महसूल बोलते हैं, रेवेन्यू को अभी भी. तो इतने वेरी फ्री आई विल सेंड इट एज लॉन्ग एज यू यूज इट. सब लोग ले तो लेते हैं, उसके बाद उसकी तरफ देखते रहते हैं. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द स्ट्रेट थिंग अबाउट समेटिव असेसमेंट. इट इज अ वर्डिक्ट. वर्डिक्ट थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग शब्द मैं यूज कर रही हूँ जजमेंट के जैसे, क्योंकि हम लीनियर वन वे प्रोसेस, इसमें एक ऐसा विश्वास है that the more I teach, the more they will learn. There is no guarantee. More teaching does not ensure learning. Telling doesn't ensure that किसी को समझ में आ गया. यदि इंफॉर्मेशन से दुनिया बदल जाती तो क्या बात. Just by हैमबर्गर और पिज्जा न खाओ, मैं बता रहा हूँ कि उससे शुगर स्पाइक होगा. सिर्फ इंफॉर्मेशन हो जाता तो क्या. लर्निंग हैपेंस विद एक्सपीरियंस. जब आप खाएंगे और भूख स्पाइक होगा तब आपको समझ में आएगा.
The view from the top of the hill is very beautiful.
दुख प्रकट कर रहा है और इसमें जंगल दिखाया है. ये समान रूप से एक काम और ये खत्म.
विजुअल वर्ड है, इसको आप वर्ड विजुअल आर्ट है. जैसा जब वैसे आपसे आ जाइए ऊपर. आप
chart. I have taken 4 words: series, data frame, bar chart, and line chart. Then their definition and the picture. What I have written something. Now we have to give it a name. Computer, game, communicate, play, draw, calculate, connect worldwide, web, surfing, calculator.
खाली उसमें एक ING उसको बाद में कोई हेल्प कर दीजिए. अरे भैया हितेश, वो आपको they will tear you out. बढ़िया.
And one more, chart. So all the word related to chart: bar chart, line chart, histogram, bubble charts.
relaxing, regenerating, re-energizing.
बहुत बढ़िया.
A step towards self-realization, bliss.
जो योगा का आपने ब्लिस कर दिया. Very nice.
और ये अलग
योग बना भी दिया.
योगा, डांस and
अच्छा वो योगा
science department.
बहुत बढ़िया किया आपने. Force.
This is pushing.
Very nice.
And they all are
सारे आसन
following
दिखा
up.
दिए. सूर्य नमस्कार दिखा दिया शायद. Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Very very nice.
फोर्स, खींचा तानी, दबाती, उठाती, रोकती, चलाती, बंद.
अरे वाह. मतलब हिंदी में उन्होंने बनाया. जो आप क्यों पढ़ रही हैं?
इसमें definition of force.
अच्छा फिर से पढ़ो.
फोर्स, खींचा तानी, दबाती, उठाती, रोकती, चलाती, बंद.
Nice. Good.
And one in Hindi.
हाँ.
Group of men.
हाँ.
राग, लंबी, सही, पहुंचाती, बढ़ाती, थकाती, हर राह की मंजिल नहीं होती रास्ता.
अच्छा ठीक है. राह एंड रास्ता. Good. Okay. Next.
I hope this is right. Mathematics के लिए. Information representing, analyzing, interpreting measures of central tendency data.
Nice. Very very nice. मैथ में बहुत बढ़िया पढ़ाया. मेरे को देना. Write and give me.
On two geographical picture, that is the drought. We have explained it in a picture of a desert. Here is tsunami. It's explanation of tsunami and big wave.
Very nice. बोले बोले सब लोग बोले.
This is कविता. विद्यालय. ज्ञान का करण, शिक्षा का प्रकाश, अध्ययन, अनुशासन, संस्कार. विद्यार्थी करते भविष्य महान. विद्याश्रम.
बहुत अच्छा.
Mohenjo-daro civilization. Since Saraswati river was also flowing there, it was known as Saraswati Valley civilization. It is so called because on the bank of the river, main river Indus and its tributaries Ravi, Bias, Chenab, Jhelum and the Satluj, Indus Valley civilization. Then I won't go more about this, but next what you find is beads. So most of the urban people were fond of wearing beads made out of different type of stones and metals, especially the quartz, statite, lapis lazuli, that is blue sapphire, carnel, that is red sandstone, and many more. And these were found abundantly with the minute fragments from Kotisi, Chanudaro, Balakot, etc., which speaks about that these were the manufacturing.
We have taken the term nutrition, we have written the meaning of the nutrition, we have formed a sentence and one synonym and a picture. So tips, we have talk, tip chart, terms, information and pictures we have created. So glance, so we have created a frog which is looking everywhere. Haunt, we have created a ghost. Bird and clock.
इसी के साथ आपने बताया था कि व्याकरण के संदर्भों को लेकर के कविता करने का. तो सिलेबस से स्नेह चैप्टर हमने लिया. स्नेह निर्मल कोमल तो विशेषण शब्द है. बढ़ाता प्रेम सौहार्द सदा पर्यायवाची. कुछ और नहीं वो अनुराग, कुछ और नहीं वो अनुराग है.
I teach geography, so I have selected 4 words from my subject. The first one is continent.
information, a large piece of land surrounded by water, and picture of Asia, Africa, continents are drawn. Second one is a strait. What is a strait? A narrow channel of water which lies between the two land masses. Southern part, this is Sri Lanka. Strait. Okay, so Park Strait. Then latitudes, these are imaginary lines.
So democracy, equal, just, voicing, choosing, uniting, power rests with.
Good evening everyone. I have made word visual. The three words I have written. The angle, second egg, and last picture is not good but kidney. Thank you.
Staff members, I extend gratitude to Vijay sir and Devika ma'am for sharing their knowledge and wisdom with us. Your presence was a blessing, and we are grateful for your time that you have spent with us. Your thoughtful perspectives have enriched us, and we assure you that we'll give our best to bring all this into practice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. And here I would like to share something. One of our teachers, Chani,
किया उजागर, गुप्त तथ्यों को किया उजागर, उद्धृत को ऊर्जावान किया, नवनव्यता के नवाचार को देविका ने दे दिव्यमान किया। और शिक्षा के इस प्रांगण में शिक्षांगन ने शिक्षा का विस्तार किया। थैंक यू।
Full of variety. Brain and mind are different. We have understood it only through your facts. What and how are becoming clear, but weather has to wait for next year. Forehead is not a big deal, as are amygdala, and I think I am right. Amygdala will retrieve the entire field. Vocabulary is enhancing after this workshop. Word art, word map, tip charts have shown their edge. Thank you. Thank you.